Good evening, everyone, and welcome to day 10 of our capacity building training for Nigerian civil servants on ICT, organized by Hamad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. It is a pleasure to be with you again today. My name is Hawa Ibrahim, and I will be facilitating this season. Over the past days, you have gained a lot of knowledge and practical aspects, and today we are going to build on that foundation with new topics. So, so here is our outline for day 10. We will start with a quick recap of what we taught yesterday in day 9, and we will learn how to insert pictures, table, and also shapes in Microsoft Word. After that, we will do some practical exercise together. Then we will move into a short questions and answers season, and finally we will close with a conclusion. So in day 9, you learned about file menu bar and the home menu bar in Microsoft Word. The file menu bar is used for document management. It contains commands like new, open, save, print, share, export, and close. And then home menu bar contains the basic editing and formatting tools. And finally, you had a practical season where you applied what you learned by using both the file menu bar and the home menu bar. So today we are starting with inserting a table in Microsoft Word. A table is used to organize information in rows and columns. When you insert a table in Microsoft Word, it helps us organize information in a neat way, and that table is made up of rows and columns. Rows go from up to down, which is horizontally, and columns go up and down, which means vertically. For example, imagine we are in a hospital and we want to record patient details. The first column can be patient's name, and the second column can be age, and the third column can be anything you want. So each row will then contain the details of one patient. So tables make it easy to arrange and read information. Then the next topic is inserting pictures in Microsoft Word. This means adding images to your document. You can add pictures from your computer or from the internet. For example, if you are writing a report of all your department members on duty for the day, you can also add their pictures while they are working. So let's talk about inserting shapes in Microsoft Word. Shapes are things like arrows, boxes, circles, and lines that you can draw inside your document. They are useful when you want to highlight or explain something. For example, in a hospital duty roster, you can use an arrow to point at the doctor or nurse on call for the day, or If you are making a health report, you can draw a box around an important sector like emergency cases. So shapes help us make documents more clear and easy to understand. So now let's move to practical exercise. Let's move to practical exercise. Let me. Okay, here we are. Let's practice inserting a table first. So if you want to insert table in your document, first you have to go to the um title bar. Then after ina class tashi ki tafi can ki je ki kallon oya sorry. So let's practice inserting a table. First, you have to go to your title bar. Then go to insert. Hafsat na ce miki ina class ki tashi ki tafi kin ruɗe ni. Kin ga kina sa ni ina ta wannan ina magana ina surutu. Ki tafi falo in na gama sai ki dawo. Kin ji ko? Ina class. Ki rufe mun kofa. So now let's practice inserting a table. So in your title bar, click go to insert, then click on it, click on table. So now let's practice inserting a table on your document. When you come to your title bar, go to insert, you will see table here. Click on it. So now from here, you will see boxes. From here, you can draw your table by touching the first box, drag it as many as you want your table to be. You see, like this. So you can draw your table this way, like this. Or you can come down to this insert table, click it. So from here, you can put the numbers of rows you want and the numbers of columns you want. Let's say we want 4 columns and 3 rows. Then click on OK. So you see, we have created a table of 4 rows and 3 columns. And if you want to adjust your table, move your cursor to the edge of the table, like this. You see, when the arrow appears, this arrow appeared. Then click and drag it. to make your table bigger or smaller. You see, with this you can move, you can make your table bigger or smaller. You can resize it. If you want to add another column or rows after inserting your table, just right click inside the table. You will see options like insert here. Click it, then choose insert column to add a new rows, or choose insert row to add a new row. You can decide if you want it to come before or after the one you click. So let's insert. Let's click on rows above. So you see it has added one row. So that's all for inserting a table in your document. So now let's move to inserting picture in your document. On your title bar again, click on insert. Click on picture. Click on picture. If the picture is on your computer, click this device. If you want to put a picture online, you can click this online picture. So we are putting picture in our laptop. Then I will click on this device. Sorry, okay. Then from here you can find the picture you want to put. So let me find the picture that I want to put. Okay, I'll click on the folder. I will click on the picture. So you see the picture has appeared. The picture has appeared in our document. So this one too, you can move it by clicking and dragging it to the place you want, like this. When you come to the edge of the picture, you see you can resize it. You see this way. You see we have resized the picture. You can make it bigger or smaller with this. You see. So that's all for inserting a picture in your document. So now let's move to inserting shapes. Again, on your title bar, click on insert, click on shapes. Here you will see shapes. Click on it. You will see many options. Click. Sorry, click. What's going on? Click on it. Then you will see many options like you see lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, and equation shapes and others. So from here you will choose the shape that you want to put in your document. Then let's click on which shape. Let's see. Let's click on this cylinder shape. Okay, then now uh, move your mouse to the place in the document where you want the shape to appear like this. When you come to the document area, then you will see this big plus sign appear. Then click on it twice. Then you see our shape has appeared. This one too, you can resize it if you want. You see, we are making it to be big. So this one too, you can make it to be big or smaller. You see, you see, you see. You can even move it to where you want it to be. You see. Uh-huh. Let's put it here. Let's make it thinner. Uh-huh. So here we go. So I think that's all for today. We have created a table and we put picture and also shape in our document. So I think that's all for the practical exercise. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the chat. Please, any question? Any question? If you have any question, please drop it in the chat. Any question? All right. Since there are no questions, that means everyone understands the class very well. Thank you all for your attention and participation. Well done, everyone, and see you in the next season. Bye-bye.